Hey crypto crew, before we dive in, let's cover the important stuff. This video is for entertainment and info only, not financial advice. Now, let's get to the good stuff. GM Crypto Fam. Welcome back to CryptosYou, where we turn crypto knowledge into digital prosperity. Today, we're diving into something that's got the entire crypto world buzzing: Polymarket. And trust me, this isn't just another run-of-the-mill crypto project. We're talking about a platform that's attracted investments from some of the biggest names in tech and crypto. I mean, listen to this. Vitalik Buterin, the genius behind Ethereum, has personally invested in Polymarket. And he's not alone. Peter Thiel, the PayPal co-founder and tech visionary, has also thrown his weight behind the platform through his founders fund. We're talking about some serious crypto royalty here, folks. But wait, it gets even better. In 2024, Polymarket raised a mind-blowing $70 million in funding. That's not pocket change, that's we're here to disrupt the industry money. And let's not forget about the mastermind behind all this, Shane Copeland. This guy launched Polymarket in 2020 and he's not your average crypto bro. We're talking about a wunderkind who's managed to attract attention from some of the biggest players in tech and finance. It's like he's the crypto world's version of Mark Zuckerberg, but hopefully with fewer privacy scandals. Now, I know you're all itching to get in on this action. So let's walk through exactly how you can start predicting the future on Polymarket. I'm going to show you step by step how to set up an account, fund it with USDC, and place your first bet. It's easier than trying to explain blockchain to your grandma, I promise. First things first, let's create an account. You'll see a sign up button in the top right corner. Click that and you've got a few options. You can use your Google account, email, or if you're a true crypto native, connect with Web3 wallets like MetaMask or Coinbase Wallet. I'm going to use MetaMask for this demo. Once you've connected your MetaMask wallet, you'll need to choose a display name. This is how you'll be known in the Polymarket community, so pick something cool or something that reflects your crypto persona. Next, you'll be prompted to opt into email updates if you want. Great, now we're in. The next step is to set up our wallet. Polymarket uses an internal Polygon wallet for each account. Just smash the continue button and approve the signature request. Your internal wallet will be created. And here we have our internal wallet address to which we can send USDC to place our first bet. Now we need to fund this wallet with USDC. If you already have USDC in another wallet, you can send it directly from there to your Polymarket wallet. And for those who prefer to avoid dealing with crypto exchanges altogether, Polymarket offers a convenient option to buy USDC directly on their platform using a credit card, PayPal, or Apple/Google Pay. I'm going to show you how to do this from a crypto exchange. I am using Bybit for this example, but the process is similar on most exchanges. First, you'll need to load your Bybit account with fiat currency. Once that's done, you'll need to exchange your fiat for USDC. To do this, simply place a market order. After you've acquired USDC, navigate to your USDC balance, hit withdraw, and paste in your Polymarket wallet address. It's crucial to ensure you select the correct network before sending your funds. You must choose the Polygon network, also known as Polygon POS, not Polygon ZK-EVM. Selecting the wrong network could result in your funds being lost. Double check everything. Remember, in crypto there's no oops, wrong address button. Once you've confirmed your transaction, you'll need to wait for it to be processed on the blockchain. Keep in mind that this can be faster or slower depending on which exchange you're using. When the transaction has been processed, you'll see a Confirm Pending Deposit button in the top right corner of your Polymarket wallet. You'll need to click this button. After clicking, you'll be prompted to confirm a signature request with your MetaMask wallet. Once you've confirmed this, Your USDC will be credited to your account. Great, now we're ready to place our first bet. Let's look at the markets and choose our first bet. Why not start with the biggest bet on Polymarket? The presidential election winner 2024. As soon as you click, you'll notice a pop-up window. Don't be alarmed, it's just asking us to enable trading. We'll need to confirm 2 quick transactions with our wallet. Don't worry, it's a one-time process. Alright, with that done, let's examine the bet. At the top, you can see the betting volume. Wow, that's a whopping $976 million. Next to it, you'll find the expiration date for the bet. It's crucial to keep this in mind. To place a bet, simply click on the outcome you think will happen. Let's say we think Trump will win. Click Yes under the Trump option. Enter the amount you want to bet and hit Buy. Approve the transaction in your MetaMask. And just like that, you're now a crypto oracle. You can then check your portfolio to see the bet you just placed. Don't be alarmed if you don't see your bet right away. It can take a few seconds to appear in your portfolio. Now that we've placed our first bet, let's dive into some advanced features that make Polymarket more than just a prediction platform. It's actually a dynamic marketplace where you can trade your positions like a pro. Remember, when you place a bet, you're actually buying shares in an outcome. But here's the kicker. You don't have to wait until the event concludes to cash out. Let me show you how this works. If we head over to our portfolio, you'll see the bet we just placed on the 2024 US presidential election. Notice that trade button. Let's click on that. Now we're back at the betting overview, but look closely. You can actually sell your shares right here, right now. This is huge, folks. It means you can lock in profits early if the price rises due to new information, or cut your losses if things aren't going your way. But wait, there's more. See this limit option? This allows you to set a price you're willing to buy or sell at, and let the market do the work for you. It's like setting a limit order on a crypto exchange, but for real-world events. And the best part? Currently, Polymarket doesn't charge any fees for trading. You can swap to your heart's content without worrying about eating into your profits. This flexibility opens up a whole new world of strategies. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. These features are powerful, but they also require careful thought and strategy. Don't just trade for the sake of trading. Have a plan and stick to it. Are you ready to turn your predictions into profits? Because things are about to get really interesting on CryptosYou. If you guys are up for the challenge, I'm going to research the best strategies to make some serious USDC on Polymarket. And we're not just talking theory here. We're diving in headfirst with a $100 challenge. But wait, it gets even crazier. If this challenge really takes off, we can take our game to the next level. We're talking about building our own custom trading bots using the power of the Polymarket API. Imagine an army of algorithmic oracles working tirelessly to multiply our crypto while we sleep. This is next level stuff, folks. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the action. And as always, may your portfolios be ever in the green, GN.